Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. Today our topic is why do we need a house and different rooms in a house. So let us start our class. We need house to stay safe and relax, and we feel comfortable and safe. So now we discuss about different rooms in a house. Living room. We meet our guests and watch TV in living room. And kitchen. Mom cooks food for us in kitchen. And dining room. We eat yummy food in dining room. And bedroom. We take rest and relax in bedroom. And bathroom. We take bath in bathroom. So kids, we should keep our house clean. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.